stop it before it ends up upside down. So that's a good thing. Additionally, especially in an airplane like you're flying right now, we're going to feel some pre-stall buffet. The airplane's going to let us know before we get to the stall that it's about to do something that we might not like. And we'll look at that here in a second, okay? So again, follow me on the controls. I'm going to demonstrate. Power's coming back to idle. I'm going to leave the nose up here, and I'm going to leave the bank angle where it is, and we're just going to let the airspeed bleed off. Right now, that's a little bit of slipstream buffet from the propeller, but we're going to see aerodynamic buffet. There it is. There's the aerodynamic buffet. Feel that? And so the airplane is telling us, we call that bad news buffet. It's saying, I'm about to do something. Are you sure you want to do this? But we're going to take this all the way to the uncommanded roll, okay? So again, following me along on the controls, we're going to let the speed continue to bleed off. Balls to the low wing. We're definitely in a slip. There it is. Push, roll, power, stabilize. Now you notice I pushed those rudders neutral the same time I was pushing, right? Yep. Okay, power's check full. Positive rate. Recovery's complete. Yeah, that's important. We want to make sure we neutralize those rudder pedals because that yaw is aggravating our stall, right? And so we don't want to have that. We want to get rid of that yaw right away. So along with the push, make sure those rudder pedals go to neutral. Now remember we talked about the swept wing dynamics are what start the airplane rolling in that stall, right? Yeah. Okay, remember negative roll damping we talked about in academics yesterday? Yeah. As long as we stay stalled, once the airplane starts rolling, it wants to keep rolling. So that's another reason why we want to do that light in the seat push to get back to the normal side of the lift curve where positive roll damping is going to take over and it's going to stop that roll for us. Okay, then we just roll back to wings level upright, the shortest direction. Manage our energy with our power. And then get back into that stabilized situation in the extra we're looking for the climb, all right? Okay. So let's get you set up here, and we'll have you do a couple of those. All right, now if you have control.
I have control.
All right, so let's go to the left on this one, a little bit of a left turn, about 20 to 30 degrees of bank. Push on the right rudder. Balls down to the low wing, we're going to slip. Keep the nose right up about there and bring the power all the way back to idle. And just make sure the nose stays right there, so keep adding back pressure as we slow down. We're going to wait for the uncommanded roll, so don't recover at the buffet. We're going to recover when the airplane starts to roll. So let a little bit more back pressure, keeping the nose up. Bring the nose up. There you go. Keep the nose up. Don't let the bank angle increase. There you go. Keeping the nose up. Slips are very stall resistant. You see how hard it is to get this thing to stall. Keep the nose coming up. There it is. Okay. Yeah, a little aggressive. You keep snatching the stick around right on back. Positive rate. Okay. All right, I have control.
You have control?
All right, so remember, we want to do this nice and calm and smooth. You see on my demos how smoothly paced I am.
Yeah, my one is very hard.
Yeah, you're shoving the nose down very hard, like you talked about, and you were snatching the stick to the side very aggressively, trying to counter the roll. Even in that secondary stall when the wing dropped a little bit, again, you're still in the stall and you're aggressively rolling the airplane. Remember, all you did was push, roll, power, stabilize. Nice and smooth, just like that. So that's what I want you to try to do on these, okay? And really resist the urge to roll to get the wings level until the roll step, like I'm doing, right? Don't snatch the stick either direction, because that might make your situation worse, okay? How you feeling after that one?
Yeah, feeling good.
Okay.
Still no sick sign.
Still no what?
Still no getting sick. It's okay.
That's good. All right. Good night's sleep always helps, doesn't it? All right, so let's do another one of those. You have control.
I have controls.
And we'll keep the nose up about here. Going to the turn, left or right, your choice.
I'll go with the left.
Okay, left turn, right rudder, power to idle. Bring the nose up a little bit more so we bleed off our energy. And remember, this time, just push straight ahead when the airplane starts to roll. Don't try to stop the roll. Let your straight ahead push stop it for you, okay? Bring the nose up a little bit more. A little bit more. And don't let the airplane increase bank. Definitely stall resistance. See how the bank's increasing, so make sure the bank's not increasing. Keep the nose up. A little bit more nose up and keep the bank down about 30. A little bit more nose up. Did I mention these are stall resistant? There it goes.
Forward. And positive rate of flight.
I have control.
You have controls.
Okay.